Princess Diana was not just a royal figure. She was a symbol of compassion, courage, and humanity. Loved across the world as the people's princess, her life was filled with grace, struggle, kindness, and tragedy. This is the complete story of a woman who changed the face of royalty forever. Early life, a shy girl with a kind heart. Princess Diana was born on August 1, 1961, in Sandringham, England, into the aristocratic Spencer family. Her full name was Diana Frances Spencer. Though born into privilege, her childhood was not without pain. Her parents' troubled marriage ended in divorce when Diana was young, leaving a deep emotional impact on her life. Diana was a shy, gentle child who loved music, dancing, and caring for others. She struggled academically but excelled in kindness and empathy, qualities that later defined her public life. Friends often described her as warm, sensitive, and deeply emotional. A fairy tale wedding to a prince. In 1980, Diana met Charles, the Prince of Wales. At just 19 years old, she became engaged to him, capturing the world's attention. Their wedding on 29 July 1981 at St. Paul's Cathedral was watched by over 750 million people worldwide. Diana became Princess of Wales, stepping into royal life overnight. She looked like a fairy tale princess, young, beautiful, and graceful. But behind the smiles and gowns, her life soon became very difficult. Life inside the royal family. Royal life was overwhelming for Diana. She faced intense media scrutiny, strict royal traditions, and emotional loneliness. Her marriage struggled, partly due to incompatibility and the pressure of public life. Diana later spoke openly about her battles with depression, eating disorders, and isolation. Despite her pain, she remained devoted to her royal duties and worked hard to connect with people in a way no royal had before. A loving mother. Diana gave birth to two sons, Prince William, born 1982, and Prince Harry, born 1984. Motherhood transformed her life. She broke royal traditions by raising her children with love, openness, and normal experiences, taking them to theme parks, fast food restaurants, and charity shelters. Diana wanted her sons to understand real life, not just royal privilege. Diana's greatest legacy lies in her humanitarian work. She used her fame to highlight causes that were often ignored. Supporting HIV/AIDS patients when fear and stigma were widespread. Visiting leprosy hospitals and orphanages. Campaigning against landmines, even walking through active minefields. Advocating for the homeless, disabled, and sick. Her simple gestures, like holding hands, hugging children, and listening, changed public attitudes. She showed the world that compassion is powerful. Divorce and independence. In 1996, Diana and Prince Charles officially divorced. Though she lost the title Her Royal Highness, she remained Princess of Wales and continued her charitable work with renewed freedom. For the first time, Diana began shaping her own identity, stronger, more confident, and independent. She spoke openly about her struggles, inspiring millions to talk about mental health. A tragic end. On 31 August 1997, Princess Diana died in a car accident in Paris at just 36 years old. The news shocked the world. Millions mourned her loss, leaving flowers, letters, and candles outside palaces across the globe. Her funeral was watched by over 2.5 billion people. The sight of her young sons walking behind her coffin remains one of the most heartbreaking moments in modern history. Legacy that lives forever. Princess Diana's legacy lives on through her children, charities, and the countless lives she touched. She redefined what it meant to be a royal, not distant and formal, but human and compassionate. She proved that kindness can break barriers, that vulnerability is strength, and that love can change the world. Final words. Princess Diana was more than a princess. She was a mother, a humanitarian, and a voice for the unheard. Though her life was short, her impact was eternal. She may have left this world, but she will forever live in the hearts of millions.